Hello, friends. I hope you are doing well with your WordPress website. So, when we are running an e commerce website using WooCommerce, we have limitless possibilities in terms of adding features and functionalities at our e commerce store. In this video, I am going to share a very simple but very effective feature for your WooCommerce website, and this is going to be a custom thank you page for WooCommerce. So we are going to use a very effective plugin, and this is a custom thank you page for WooCommerce. So the beauty of this plugin is that it works with WooCommerce inherent features. I mean, this works as an extension of WooCommerce, and it is very easy to use this plugin and configure at our WooCommerce store. So what can be the objective of using this plugin? So of course it is very clear from its name itself. So it is going to show a custom thank you page for orders. I mean, when orders gets complete, it will show a custom thank you page. But not only this, the advanced feature with this plugin that we are going to get, that we can set thank you pages for each product in the WooCommerce store. So for individual product variations, or it can be a global thank you page as well. So it is going to upsell our products, and we can show related products with this plugin, and it can provide an amazing onboarding experience. So if we talk about the use cases, how it can be used, like simple scenarios, you can see all these, you can read all these things through the video description link. I'm going to add this link in the video description area itself. But yes, let us assume we are selling clothes, so we can include washing instruction to help customers maintain the quality of their clothing, and we can suggest matching products with their new outfit. Or if we are selling shoes, so we can provide tips for maintaining and cleaning shoes to keep them looking new, and explain how to make shoes waterproof or so. And let us say if we are selling electronics product, so we can offer guidance for setting up and using the product. So similarly, there might be several use cases with this plugin that is going to help your buyers, and that may actually uh, make them happy or involved with your portal, right? So let us take a example. So this is a website, e-commerce website that we created, and during the illustration of this satin WordPress theme, it is a wonderful theme. I'm going to implement the thank you page. So I'm just going to show you the screen where we can simply configure the thank you page. So I have already installed the plugin. I'll show you the plugin area first of all. So I'm using the latest version of plugin, and for buying the plugin, you can simply go to the video description link. You need to spend $49 for 1 year plan. So it is an extension of WooCommerce. It is not like plugin actually. So of course it is a plugin, but it works as an extension. So it is not like add-on for WooCommerce. It is a extension for WooCommerce. Extension means it works with inherent features of WooCommerce, and it is going to work very smoothly. So it is very important. First of all, I'll show you the installed plugin. So this is the plugin that I have installed, custom thank you page for WooCommerce. This plugin is not free, so you cannot search in the add new plugin area. You have to buy this plugin from the WooCommerce store. So official WooCommerce website, woocommerce.com, and further you can install the plugin after downloading and following the steps, right? So this is the plugin, and it can create custom thank you pages for products, upsell products, improve user experience, increase customer lifetime value. So if we talk about the settings, it is more than simple. So let us say if we are willing to have a global thank you page, so we can set a page, just create a page, whatever you want to show on the page, you have to create the page first, and you can find the page like let us suppose we are going to set about us page for thank you page, like so I am having only this page for now. So you can create your desired page, and you can simply set up your thank you page here. But the additional beauty of this plugin. So I have enabled the navigation when multiple products with custom pages are configured. Now I'll take you back to this listing, and I'll uh, discuss more things like how to configure custom pages. Thank you page. So like custom thank you page can be configured in the advanced settings tab. What happens when multiple products with different pages are configured, and how can I still show order details to the custom page? So all these three questions covers all the functionalities of this plugin. Like let us assume we are going to set custom page for a variable product. So this is a variable product. So I have variations, multiple variations, and here on a particular variation of this product. Uh, so this is a small size, the pink variation, and here we can set the custom page for this particular variable product, and we can set the priority. Like we can set a page here, and we can set set a URL or page to use as thank you page, or leave empty for default behavior. So it is totally your choice. Further, you can set the priority. Priority determines which page is showing when showing will be shown when multiple products are purchased, or in which order when using navigation. So a user can get navigations to access multiple pages according to your set priority. Like further, we have inventory or advanced area, where in the advanced area we can set a global confirmation, I mean the thank you page for this product, not for variable. So you can set a different priority here, and if you are setting a page here, so the thank you page will be particularly for this particular product. So this product, like variable product is name here, and let us assume this is the product. So we are setting up a confirmation, means thank you page for this product. Further, for variations level, you can set different page, and you can set the priority. So it clearly means it is going to show different pages at different stages of confirmation, like for variable, or for the common for a particular product, or even for global thank you page. So it is full in our control. Whatever you want to show on the selected page, you can create pages accordingly, and you can show the different thank you and confirmation pages according to your need to upsell and enhance the user experience at your WooCommerce website. So I think this is a very good plugin and very useful feature that we can add at our WooCommerce website. And in the next video, I'm coming with more for you. Keep watching, keep building, and you are watching the biggest YouTube channel for WordPress themes and plugin overviews, as I know at least. So I'm sure you are already a subscriber. Let us meet in the next video. Don't miss to press the bell button. Thank you.